Hello everyone, welcome back to Technical Thinker. Using the wrong cable can ruin your entire security system. Let's explore the 20 most important CCTV and networking cables. Cat5e Cable. Cat5e Cable supports speeds of up to 1 gigabit per second and a bandwidth of 100 megahertz. It is commonly used for home networks, CCTV systems, and fast Ethernet connections. It's affordable and still widely used today. Cat6 Cable. Cat6 supports 1 gigabit per second up to 100 meters and 10 gigabits per second over shorter distances with 250 megahertz bandwidth. Best for office networks, gaming, IP CCTV systems, and gigabit Ethernet connections. It offers better performance than Cat5e. Cat6A. Cat6A Cable is an upgraded version of Cat6, features 10 gigabit per second, 500 megahertz bandwidth, better protection against interference, ideal for data centers, enterprise networks, and high-end CCTV installations. Cat7 Cable. Cat7 Cable supports 10 gigabit per second and 600 megahertz bandwidth. It includes heavy shielding to reduce electromagnetic interference, commonly used in industrial environments, server rooms, and professional networking. Cat8 Cable. Cat8 is one of the fastest Ethernet cables available. Features 25 or 40 gigabits per second, up to 2,000 megahertz bandwidth. Best suited for data centers, high-performance servers, and enterprise networking. Fiber optic cable. Fiber optic cable transmits data using light instead of electricity. Advantages: extremely high speed, long-distance transmission, immune to electrical interference. Used in ISPs, backbone networks, and large CCTV projects. RG59 Coaxial Cable. RG59 is mainly used for analog CCTV cameras and video signal transmission. It works best over shorter distances. RG6 Cable. RG6 has better shielding than RG59. Common applications include TV systems, satellite connections, and long-distance CCTV installations. PoE Cable, Cat6. Power over Ethernet allows one Ethernet cable to carry both data and electrical power. Perfect for IP cameras, PoE switches, and wireless access points. No separate power cable is required. LAN Cable. A LAN cable connects devices such as routers, switches, PCs, NVRs, and IP cameras. It is the backbone of any local network. Ethernet Patch Cable. Patch cables are short Ethernet cables used to connect patch panels, network switches, routers, servers, and are commonly found inside network racks. Phone Cable, RJ11. RJ11 cable is mainly used for telephone lines and DSL internet. It has fewer wires than Ethernet cables. DC Power Cable. DC power cables provide 12 volts DC or 24 volts DC. They are commonly used to power analog CCTV cameras, DVR accessories. BNC Cable. BNC connectors are widely used in analog CCTV systems. They provide a secure connection between cameras and DVRs. They are easy to install and highly reliable. Audio Cable. Audio cables transmit sound signals, used for CCTV microphones, speakers, and audio-video systems. Common connectors include RCA plugs. Alarm Cable, 4-core. A 4-core alarm cable is used in burglar alarm systems, motion sensors, door contacts, and security panels. It carries low-voltage control signals. UTP Cable, Unshielded Twisted Pair. UTP stands for Unshielded Twisted Pair. It features lightweight, affordable, and easy to install, suitable for homes and offices with low electrical interference. STP Cable, Shielded Cable. STP cable includes protective shielding around the wires. Benefits: reduced interference, better signal quality. Recommended for industrial environments. SFTP Cable. SFTP stands for Shielded Foiled Twisted Pair. It provides maximum protection against EMI, crosstalk, and signal noise. ideal for factories, hospitals, and data centers. Last, we have outdoor Cat6 cable. Outdoor Cat6 cable is specially designed for outdoor installations, features UV-resistant, weatherproof, and direct burial options. Perfect for outdoor IP cameras, long cable runs, and building-to-building connections.